Thank you for visiting Boutique Bridal. This is a simple tutorial on how to make the lace veil cap and also the flower fascinator. You can also wear the lace veil cap with a traditional tulle veil. So here are the ordinaries you will need in order to complete this project. If you need more time, feel free to press pause and review the list. First, fold the lace in half, and you will notice that we will be working with the lace trim. Lay the measuring tape next to the lace and then cut it at the 16-inch mark. Now measure the circumference of your head. Mine is 22 inches. Add 1 inch to the measurement and then divide it by 2, which mine comes out to be 11.5 inches. Then cut the lace at this mark all the way to the top. Now sew from the bottom up about 3 inches. This is where I sewed it, and this is the opening so you can see what was done. Next, you're going to feel a little silly, but you're supposed to have fun in the process. So you're just going to place this over your head with the sewing seam on the side. Straighten out your lace trim just to make sure it's laying flat on your head. You're going to have this big opening on the side. So gather your lace all to one side of your head. Next, you're going to open up the side of the lace and then just pull the lace through the opening. Gently slide it through and then just pull on it until it lays flat and it is gathered nicely to one side. Next, take some pins and then carefully pin the lace together. Here I used about 3 or 4 pins until it was securely pinned together. Now remove the veil cap and then you are going to sew together the gathered lace and the lace trim about 1/2 inch above the trim. Now cut off the excess lace and you are complete with the veil cap. Now we are going to create the flower fascinator. First, we are going to add the rhinestones to the center of the flower. So all you have to do is add glue to the center and then just place on the rhinestone. And then repeat this process for the other 2 flowers. Next, you are going to take the felt and then cut it into a 3 by 3 square and cut a circle from it. And now you have a base for your flower fascinator. Using the shape of an invisible triangle, you will glue the flowers at these 3 points. So add some glue to your first point and then just place the flower on top of the glue. And then glue the other 2 flowers onto the felt. In between where each of the flowers meet, we are going to glue a feather. So you will have a total of 3 feathers on the fascinator. Next, trim 1 pearl chain to 4.5 inches and the other at 6 inches. You will now glue the 2 pearl chains at 2 flower points, using the feather as your center mark. For the final step, you're going to add glue to the pin and then just place it onto the back of the flower fascinator, with the chains at the bottom. And you are complete with the fascinator. To wear the veil cap, just place it onto your head and then straighten out the lace trim and your hair as needed. Now, if you like this look, you can wear it alone, or what I'm going to do is pin my hair back and then add the flower fascinator we created to finish the second look. And here you have this lace veil cap with the flower fascinator. To wear it with the traditional tulle veil, I am going to slide it over and hook it onto the small ponytail I had tied in the back, and then just straighten out my tulle. With the gathered side of the lace facing towards the back, I am going to place on the veil cap and bring it over the tulle veil, and then just straighten out my lace veil cap. And you are complete with your third option. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you got inspired to create something extraordinary out of the ordinary. If you would like to learn how to make a tulle veil or other hair adornments, please click on one of the glitter buttons.